The sun is older than the Earth, yet many physicists and biologists would say that the reason the sun exists is to help plants on Earth grow, at least under certain circumstances. Let me explain. The idea that natural phenomena can be explained by what their effects are instead of what their causes are is called teleology. It was popular in Aristotle's time but lost popularity among scientists during the scientific revolution. And note that I said among scientists. Cognitive scientists gave various groups of adults some explanations of natural phenomena. They were true ones like soda fizzes because carbon dioxide gas is released, and false, teleological ones like the sun makes light so that plants can photosynthesize. The people without college degrees or who only had a bachelor's degree believed just under half of the false, teleological explanations. However, physical scientists accepted around 15% of them. Meanwhile, scholars in the humanities accepted around 21%. The fact that people in the humanities perform nearly as well as the scientists is evidence that it is educational training, rather than scientific knowledge, that is primarily responsible for being better at identifying the true scientific explanations. Things were different, however, when pressure was applied. The same task was given to other participants, but with a time limit of less than 3.5 seconds. The results were amazing. Across all groups, the percentage of false explanations accepted was significantly higher. The people without advanced degrees accepted 53 to 56% of them. The researchers in the physical sciences and the humanities accepted 29 and 32%, respectively. That's nearly double for the scientists. And this phenomena does seem to be related to the teleological explanations. The performance on the control sentences was only slightly worse under the time limit. So what happened? Why would scientists believe things like trees produce oxygen so that animals can breathe? The answer seems to be that people have an inherent teleological bias, and that when people are put under pressure, they are less able to rely on scientific thinking and fall back on a sort of default and attribute motivation to inanimate objects. The researchers go on to suggest that these results are evidence for an innate inclination towards religious belief, with huge implications for the future of scientific research. Expand your knowledge of human behavior. Hit the like button and subscribe.